What's up, goddess gang? Today we are back with another video. I'm so proud of myself. Moment of congratulations. I'm doing so good at being consistent. This is just, it's such a life-changing opportunity. Okay guys, so today we're opening day, beautiful day 13. Where is my cuticle pusher? Hold on, you guys. Oh, it's here. Okay. So how's everyone's day? My day has been amazing, but kind of long. I think I'm gonna take a day to just focus on YouTube tomorrow instead of working at all, because I have worked every day for like so many days. I can't even tell you guys how many days, and OMG. But anyways, thank you again so much to Madam Glam for sending us this advent calendar, but not only that, for even coming up with this brilliant idea. This is so much fun. It brings a whole new light to the idea of advent calendars, and I know it seems like maybe to make it even more special there could be like a riddle with each day, or something like maybe a word on each box to where it could make like a full sentence or a full paragraph at the end. That would be kind of cool. But as far as all of the excitement, like with the things that are coming in the boxes, it's been such an amazing experience. Okay, hold on. I don't want to ruin the box. Okay, here we go. I'm learning how to do it that way, I think. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh, I'm about to freak out. I cannot. I want to use this so much. Okay, you guys, I have to try this. I cannot. All right, what day was it? That was a day number 10, 11, 12. I mean, I think it was 12. Let's see. What day was it that we had the foil glue? Oh no. Number 12 was one of my top favorites. I am so silly. That was just yesterday. It was number 10. I should have went with my first instinct. I think it's number 10. Okay, it is. I have got to try this because I swear I'm so obsessed. Okay, so does it come with instructions? It says cured with LED, 60 seconds or 2 minutes. I don't know which one mine is, but it's super strong, so I'm assuming it just needs 60 seconds. So we're gonna put a nice generous layer. I cannot go another day. I have got to use this now. Of course you don't want to put too much. I always do that because I just love it, but don't be like me, and I'm probably gonna have to cure it for longer because of this, but whatever. You do want to make sure it's a nice even layer. All right, into the lamp we go. Okay, so I'm gonna let that cure, and in the meantime, I am so excited. I have got to see how well this foil gel and foil works, because I don't want to be excited for no reason if it doesn't work well. My lamp is on 15 seconds. That's not gonna work with me, Bill. Okay, let's see, we'll put it on there. All right, anyways, I am so excited. So let's see, this is what comes in here, and it is so beautiful. It's the pearl color for me. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. I'm about to scream, you guys. I'm trying not to scream, but I'm about to scream. Okay. I'll try to calm down. I'm going to get a little bit of a generous amount, and we're going to put this to work and see how well it does, because I cannot, the suspense is killing me. And this is a nice amount too. Wow, way to go. Thank you so much, Madam Glam. Okay, sis. Okay, poo. You guys know that you can always save on your Madam Glam goodies with my discount code GoddessNails30. You can save 30% off. You guys, I'm literally going through it. I hate foil for this reason. It is too much for me. Hold on, let's see. There's probably someone on the internet that has a hack for this, because there's literally a hack for everything. How about there? We did it. All right, now once you take it out, you do want to let it, I actually bumped into it, but you do want to let it set for a second. It's actually not that hot. Wow, this is amazing. It's like, wow, quality, hopefully, I think. All right, are you guys ready? Because I'm ready. Okay, let's do it like this. I want to say I'm 100% sure I have the silicone tool from Madam Glam. CCC. We may be getting one of these in this kit, in this advent kit. Okay, so I'm just going to use it. I'm not really good at this, honestly. No cap. See how I'm already like kind of ruining it? But I do my best. I try. There's people who know how to do foil way better than me. Okay, I give up. I fucking suck. Oops, sorry guys, I shouldn't cuss. I effing suck. No, just kidding. But OMG, okay. Anyways, I didn't do perfect. I actually bumped the foil gel on the way into the lamp, and then I never lay it down correctly. I gotta practice. But anyways, as you can see, it seems pretty freaking, hold on, wait, I gotta zoom y'all in. I feel so bad when I don't zoom y'all in. Look it, it's very beautiful. But I would say I need to do better. Well, this wasn't even like buffed or anything. You would definitely want to have the nails well prepped, and then probably apply a base coat gel and then the foil gel, and then I think it would be much better. But look at the actual foil itself. That is so stunning. So I know you guys have been on my channel long enough. I'm sure a lot of you guys, you heard me say that there was this color that I used to love as like my favorite car color. This is the literal color. I can't. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. Okay, I gotta get over it. Wow, this was like literally one of my top favorites. I cannot, you guys. Oh my gosh, I gotta go back and look at the other one now. Hold on, because I feel like I might fall in love with it even more. It is cute, but it's because it's rose gold, but it kind of looks red. Like, I don't like it as much. It's okay. It's just that it doesn't really look pink. It looks red. Alright, well, anyways, what's next? Oh, my favorite. We're gonna do number 14 next. I'm so excited. Okay. I gotta calm down. Literally cannot wait to open that. I swear, I'm so excited. So I need to practice. I'm gonna prep some tips so that next time we do a foil application, we can do it correctly, because that was horrible. I feel so bad. Please don't be like me, because if you do, you will embarrass yourself. Okay, anyways, hold on, let me zoom y'all back out. So that was day number 13. We'll be back for day number 14. And honestly, I usually wait until the end of the day, because it's like all day I'm like, oh, I want to open it so bad. And I'm like, well, you only get to open it once, you know, and you only get to open it for 25 days. So then I end up waiting until the last minute, and I have to make sure everything is in order. So tell me how you guys' December has been going. I was able to see that you guys have been commenting lately, and I really appreciate that. I commented back. I know sometimes I really suck, but you guys, I got cat hair in my face. Like, I'm so annoyed. I gotta take my glasses off and everything. My cats, they need to get brushed more. It's winter time, so you know how that goes with the pets. They all get a lot of hair, and then you will like pet them, and there will just be like hair everywhere, and be like, yeah, I'm gonna pet you again in the summer. Anyways, so I don't even know what I was saying because I'm so all over the place. Well, yeah, I forgot. I'm super tired, but I'm going to be working because I still gotta take these off. And I was working on a beautiful set. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek. Don't tell nobody. If you're watching this video, I'm gonna give you guys a cue. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, what's the cue gonna be? The cue today is going to be let me think. A coffee cup. Drop a coffee cup emoji. Because coffee gets me through my life. Okay. As I'm an adult now, you know, I'm 31. I feel like at 30 I learned how to really survive off of coffee, which wasn't the best experience, but it was something good to learn. Like, okay, so this is how adult, you know, like this is how y'all do it. But anyways, here are my little droopy smiley faces, and I literally love them so much. I told you guys I needed to do something with these tips, and so I decided to more or less express my feelings. I kind of expressed my feelings or whatever, and it's like, you know, sometimes you be having a good day and then things just be happening. You be like, your smile just be drooping, and then you just kind of try to keep a good attitude or whatever. Yeah, and I'm gonna be doing these ones, and I'm gonna film them, and then I'm gonna upload the video. And it just dawned on me today that I literally have the you guys don't judge me, I have the nail removal video, like the how-to video that I'm gonna be posting, already uploaded. Like, it's already ready to be published. It's just that I need to do the blog to go with it, and I am so horrible. So I'm going to be working on that. That's why I said tomorrow I'm taking my day off of everything and focusing on YouTube and my blog, and also getting back to everybody, sending out newsletters, updating sections of the home pages. I definitely have a lot of work to do, but in the meantime, how much do we love this? It's so beautiful. And by the way, these do glow in the dark. They are the SXC Cosmetic Glow in the Dark Gel Art Liners. And honestly, I like them. I must admit. So I've learned how to kind of like do this thing where I get all the paint off, because if you don't, you will regret it. And these brushes, I would have to say, do feel to be better quality than the original brushes. Also, I'm not 100% sure yet. I just finished these nails today. But from the looks of it, this formula is updated. Now, I will still have to tell you guys an update on that, because this is the glow in the dark formula. So it could just be this because it's kind of translucent. I still need to use all of the solid colors and let you guys know what I think, because I really was praying that they would update the formula. And this right here, yes, honey, I was able to kind of give it like a little bit of depth. The black is Model 1's. Black Lava by Model 1's. You guys know I really F with these. You guys, I have had these since before I started my YouTube channel, and they have lasted all this time. They are just these little tiny bottles, but they are everything. Like, I could never see myself getting rid of them. If I run out, I think I'm just gonna like clean the bottle out with some acetone and keep these, because like literally, I'm sorry you guys, literally legendary. I'm literally so obsessed. And I thought about taking the white and outlining the smiley faces, but I decided not to. I am all over the place. I decided not to outline them because I don't know. And then I think I made my outlines too thick, because in the dark they don't glow as much as I would like them to glow. But that's neither here nor there. And I added the unichrome at the end, which I really love. It is so cute. When I do this set, you guys are going to get to see how they look without the unichrome, and you'll be able to tell me which ones you like better. I like them both, but I haven't used the unichrome in a long time, and I thought it would be nice to give it like something extra. So drop a comment, let me know what you think of these, and I love you guys so much. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash that like button. By the way, you guys, I have my intro and my outro prepared, so I'm gonna be dropping those at the end of this video so you guys can see, and drop comments down below and let me know what you think. I don't know if I'm 100% done with the outro, or like, I know I have a lot of interesting and fun things coming to my channel, so we are going to start to have commercial breaks on my channel, which is going to be very fun and interactive. I am literally so excited for everything. There will be shorter commercials, longer commercials, depending on what the videos are, but we are going to have like in-house ad placements on my channel, which will be a good opportunity for me to promote the brands that I work with, and also to promote any updates that I have on my channel, or anything that you guys may need, like more like public announcements. Also to do like shout outs and things like that, to like elaborate on collaborations and all kinds of stuff. I really want to make my channel into a channel. Like, I have a lot of role models that I really look up to, not necessarily in the nails community, but like YouTube role models and like TV role models, I guess you could say. So drop comments and let me know what you guys think of that stuff. I'm literally so excited. The closer that the new year gets, the more that I realize that I really need to be hustling as much as possible, because I really want like this next year of this whole like journey to really go to like the next level. And I'm just so thankful. So thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. If you like my videos and you want to be notified every single time I upload, then you have to go ahead and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I post. And I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. I holla, y'all. By the way, I'm gonna drop that intro, outro, and let me know what you think. I holla. Peace.